Take a ride in the 2016 Sonata Hybrid. This all-new hybrid has all the style and premiums you expect in a Sonata, along with 37 city, 39 highway miles per gallon. And unlike other hybrids on the market, it uses a breakthrough lithium polymer battery pack, which runs cooler, lighter, and is shapeable for optimum packaging. More power, less fuel, no guilt, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, leather seats, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.